Hey friends, welcome back to Ball Homestead. My name is Beverly. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're just going to look at the animals. It sounds like a zoo right now because it's feeding time. So we're going to get going on that. I'm going to show you some of the beds we've got put together also, and we're just going to hang out in the yard for a little bit. We have quite a few of the green beds put together. We've just got them stacked everywhere. Our garden is a total disaster. Here are the 6-foot beds. We have some of those put together. I think there's 2, 4, 6 of those put together. We just got them stacked everywhere. I think Wayne's going to take down part of the fence and get in here with his tractor and do some work soon. But I'll keep you posted. We've still got about half, maybe more of the beds to go. So we've got a long, busy project here. Everybody's hungry. They're all hollering at me. I hear you guys. Babies everywhere. Babies everywhere. Peanut down here at my feet running. Like it's time to eat, Mama. Hi, guys. Got buckets everywhere, too. I gotta get those picked up today. Hey, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, guys. Everybody ready for feeding time? Let me get these pigs fed so they'll hush. Feeding time at the homestead is a busy time. Everybody wants to be fed at the same time. So I try to give the pigs their food first because they go absolutely bonkers. And then I get in here and work on the goats and get their sweet feed out. And then I put hay out for them now since we don't have much green grass left in the pasture. The little babies are all doing well. I did end up finding all of them and they were fine. They're all just, some of them were in hiding places. But I know where most of those are. So anyways, all the babies are doing good. They're still kind of wild. I've worked as much as I can right now at taming them down. I am so busy, friends. Some days I feel like the days just run together. I'm constantly have a project going or need to do something around the house. We have so many things going. It's nuts. But we stay active and we stay very busy. But we are very thankful for all these little healthy babies, and we're thankful for this beautiful weather. It has been so nice here in Northeast Arkansas. We love fall around here. I can't wait for those cool, crisp mornings. And it's so nice to walk outside and just it be so cool. Every season brings different kinds of busy for us. In the summer and spring, we are working, getting ready for the garden. We're planting seeds. We're doing all that. And in the fall, we start building projects. We are constantly have a project set up for the winter time, fall and winter. And this year, we have to finish my husband's little workshop. We have to. That is it's a must. It needed to be done long time ago and it hasn't been completed yet, so we're going to get on that hopefully this weekend and maybe button up some loose ends on that. And we're going to start on the garden project. We have put a few beds together and we still have quite a few more. So it's never ending work here for us, which we enjoy it. Alright guys, there's a few little projects I want to do today. I want to make my grandkids some elderberry gummies. I've been thinking about this. I seen Jessica from Three Rivers Homestead. She had made gummies for her kids and I thought, that's such a good idea. And it would be like they could take one every day to help boost their immune system. So we're going to do that today. Okay, for these fruit gummies, we're going to half this recipe because I don't have a whole bunch of molds. I'm just using what I have. I have some that I bought in the past. And these were small enough, I thought these would make good little gummies for the grandkids. And here is our elderberry juice, and it's already sweetened. So we're gonna put it on a pot on the stove and get it warmed up good, and then we'll add the gelatin to it. We're just doing a cup. If you wanted to do a full recipe, you would do 2 cups. And we're gonna turn that on and get it warmed up. I got this at Walmart. It's unflavored gelatin. Inside there's little pouches, and each pouch has about a tablespoon of gelatin in it. For a full recipe, you would need 6 of these little packets. I halved it, so I used 3 of those. I've got it mixed in. As soon as that gets warmed up, we're gonna put them in our molds. If this works out, I'm gonna end up buying some of those gummy treat things and making my grandkids gummies, because I know that it would be more healthy for them. I'm just taking a tablespoon. That's about, it's not quite, and I'm just filling each little star here. The little kits, I think, comes with an eyedropper. If this works out, I may invest in one of those little kits. But I wanted to give it a try because this is cold and flu season, and I thought, you know what? You've got all that elderberry juice. Make those grandbabies some elderberry chews. They could have one every day, and maybe it would help them from catching every little cold that goes around. This is super simple to do with a tablespoon too, so. These are little Christmas tree things. I thought, well, that'll be cute too. This would actually make a bunch, y'all. Just one cup. I'm gonna have to look up here and see if I got anything else. All right, I found these little tiny bars. I make a lot of Christmas candy, chocolate bars, things like that in the holidays. We'll be doing a lot of those and on our channel. And we're gonna make a lot of homemade Christmas gifts this year, and I'll bring you along. Oh, I may need something else too. I'm gonna have to find a tray to put these on too. Let me see what else I can find. Probably should have done that first. Guess we'll just use these little swirlies. I hope this works. I'm super excited to try it. We're gonna have about 2 more. I think I have enough one of those. Waste not, want not is what my grandmother always taught us. We don't waste even a drop. All right, we're gonna get those in the fridge and leave them until they're completely cooled, and then we will take them out and see how they turned out. If this works out, I might order the kit and make my grandkids more little treats. I make a lot of fruit juices and stuff, so we may try that. We'll just see how this turns out. All right, friends, this did not take long at all. I'm so impressed. Look at this. Little star gummies for my grandkids. I'm so pumped about this. Thank you, Jessica from Three Rivers Homestead. I did not know this was even a possibility. Look at this, and this didn't take but a few minutes in the fridge. I mean, just a few minutes. I'll put this over here. The little star ones are so cute. These, I know they will. And they're not sticky like you would kind of think them to be. They're like a little gummy treat. Look, it's got a little string like a balloon. This worked out so wonderful. And see, they can take one a day and it'll be like getting a teaspoon of elderberry syrup in them. And there's no sugar in this, it's all honey. So looky there, I'm so excited about this. In a matter of minutes, we made these grandbabies some elderberry chews. I'll have to make Presley and Izzy some too before I go down there next time. But that, the stars are my favorite. Those turned out super cute. Let's give a little taste test. I'm gonna get some of this that kind of spilled out so I don't waste the gummy. Let's see. They're delicious. Tastes just like elderberries. Guys, this is so cool. It'd be so fun to make with your grandkids too, or your kids. I'm excited. I will take these to my daughter tomorrow at work. She works at the same place I do, not for the same company, but we work in the same building. But I will take these to her, and I know my grandkids will be super excited about it. All right, friends, thank you for stopping back by our homestead. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, friends, goodbye.